What were we doing? Oh, right, yeah. We're loading a game. And we start. Welcome back. I've had my coffee and I'm ready to discover new discoveries. Sorry if you can hear me trying to move around in my seat. As you can tell, I get more hyper than I normally am not. So, expect more words that I don't know and more saying. See, I'm doing it already. I can't say anything. Help. We got our coffees. Everyone sit down, wrap yourself up in a blanket, and let's jump back in to the world of slimes. Here we go. Thank you to Monomi Park for letting me play this game once again. What was I doing with Victor? Why did I need Victor's help? Oh, Ockers. The question is though, Trent, do we need them? Do we need them? Why do I have crystal slimes? What was I doing? I mean, obviously not important. All I need is 2 slimes. I need 4 booms and 5 radioactives. So let's go get those slimes and then we can be off. I was, however, watching someone that I like to watch a lot play this game, and I saw the beta version, and I can't. Like, I remembered the beta version, but I couldn't believe how far this game has come. Like this was shut off with like wood and stuff. You couldn't. I don't think you could access it, not properly anyway. But yeah, all of this was shut off, so you couldn't actually access it, and there wasn't as many slimes as there is now. This game has just blown up. It's amazing what you can do with a team of people, or just yourself if you have enough, not experience. What's it called when you really want to do something but can't? That was a weird onion. I don't need it. I don't need it. No, I don't. Where is... I've only got 1 boom slime. I need rad slimes. Am I going back into Gordo's area? You're a bunch of cats. Oh, a cat. I'm looking for... I need a way to get up there, really. Looking for boom and radioactives. Which are commonly... which you can find normally. Is that Okaraka? Apparently I don't need booms and radioactives. I've got my own Okaraka. Take that, Victor. Who needs you? I don't. I've got my own Oka. And we don't need that one either. Right, I'm stuck. Everyone sound the help alarm. Help. Don't know where I'm going though. Diet veggie. It's you I'm meant to be having the Okaraka for, isn't it? The rock slime's favourite food. Isn't it? I swear it is. Whose favourite food is it? I can't remember. I'm sure my editor, my lovely mother, would be able to put it on screen. Ow. But at the moment, I have no idea. We need to go check. Things keep attacking me. Up the hill we go, up the hill we go. Up, 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 up. I say, did I take up that slime? I swear I took out that slime. Slimes everywhere. There's a slime here, then there's a slime there. We're gonna do the slime dance. No, we're not. We're really not. that confused my mouse so much. I can use a mouse, yes. I'm getting used to PC version of doing stuff. I'm used to the Xbox. But my mouse does this thing where it has no space to like turn around fully without it falling off the desk. So I have to constantly like tap it and do slide, tap and slide, tap and slide. And if I forget to do that, then I just yeet the mouse. And we don't want to do that. Let's get you, because you're already ready to go. And Ockers need a place to be. I remember like you couldn't be able to remove crops either. That wasn't a thing. That must be new. It wasn't a thing I saw anyway. So that must be new. It's also another episode. So what we need to do is get 1,500 to upgrade the ranch. So let's put these in here. No, it's you, isn't it? You're Oka. The what's his name? Radioactive slimes. Where on my life? Yeah, Oka. Oh no, they're not radioactive slime, it's rad slime. Rad is short for radioactive. I would assume anyway. That might be wrong. Don't question me on that. Boom slimes. What are all these slimes that I've missed? I believe this one's a honey one. There's so many slimes that are just not in my... What's it called? Slimepedia. So many food I haven't got either. I know there is the tiger. Is that what they're called? The tiger chickens? I know we're missing tiger chickens. We're going to call them tiger chickens from now on. I don't care what they're actually called. They're called tiger chickens. You can fight me about it. Tiger chickens. We're going to pick up all these crops. I mean, because we need the crops. There's no going back on that one. We do need the crops. We also need to feed these guys, get the money for the episode. They're still playing with that ball. Oh. We need 20. So I need to start. There we go. Perfect. Because we haven't unlocked the bigger backpack yet. Which I think we should do. At some point. Because that is very useful. We don't have enough. We need 1,500. We're gonna collect the boom plots from the boom slimes and the rad slimes. Because we need them. That's an odd number. There should be 8. What am I missing? Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. 6. That's what I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going crazy, am I? There were definitely 5 in there. And then they just... one teleports back in. We made enough! We can go buy the upgrade. Get the upgrade! We should be able to get this one soon. We'll let you on a secret. I'm planning to buy a lot of DLCs for this game. Here we go. For the first episode, we got... well, not first episode. For this episode, we got a porch upgrade, was that? Oh, obviously not a porch upgrade. The satellite. What did we get? I'm so confused. Was it the paths? Did we get paths? Is that what we got? Must have been. This is where the teleporter goes, by the way. In my other game, I had the pink teleporter goes here, and it connects to quantum, just outside the quantum side. Sorry, you can hear them doing construction work outside, trying to work. Oh, I've forgotten what I was doing now. Lime! Lime! Right, let's go check out how much that backpack upgrade is. Tank booster. Improved nano storage cell technology allows your rank tank. Improved nano storage cell technology allows your vac tanks to hold 30 units of whatever you can back up. Get now while doors remain open. I don't know. I have a lot of chickens. Should we sleep? We've got nothing to do. How much was that? 350? Yeah, 350. That will boost us up to 30, I believe. Sleep until morning. I like all of this in the background, like this stuff plush and stuff. I want my room to be like that. Then again, that is just one whole room. That's just it. Probably have a fridge in my room. We're gonna take a nap and a quite needed coffee dip break. Now that I've downed the rest of my coffee, we should be good to go. This way. This way. You. Would you look at that? This is what we need. I still don't understand why I have a bunch of crystal slimes in my inventory, but I can't be bothered to get rid of them. So they're gonna stay. Look at these shots. Right, let's go buy those upgrades. Honestly thought there was a car in my enclosure then. Let's get you and one more. What should we get? I think in the long run, a water tank would probably be best, so we can like kill tar. If you didn't know, that's how you kill tar. You shoot water at them, and then yeah, a blast of fresh water will calm any slime for a short while or dissolve those terrible tar slimes. A watered garden crops also grow flower, but that's what the sprinklers are for, so we don't really need to water the gardens. I don't think. You can comment if I'm wrong about that one, but not that I'm aware of. I feel bad for playing this game. My friend got it for me, and then now we just don't talk anymore, so I feel awful about playing it. But I've got to play it because it's part of the channel and it's fun. I like playing this game, but doesn't mean I don't feel any guilt for missing my friend. Was my friend, I guess. There we go, ochres. That should produce. They should produce double of green slime now, so we don't have to worry about that. Would you look at that? We can hold more than 20 now. My blue kitties are coming in handy. Do, 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 do. I remember we were saving up for something, and I can't remember what we were saving up for. What were we saving up for? It's been so long. It's been like a week, but still. Point still stands. Was it this? Was it the grotto? Because I have a thing in my, what's it called? I have a phosphor slime. Eat it, activate. Yeah, I want to buy it. I'm sorry, have I already brought it? I have. I have already brought it. Oh, I remember what I'm saving up for now. Oh, I remember now. We need an air net because they will fly out. So we can't put anything in there until we got the air net. I mean, we could put stuff in there. We can put the crystal slimes in there. Let's see. We need to find out what crystal slimes like. I need a letter from Mochi to do that one. I think I have to do a certain amount of tasks from Mochi to activate that. I think that's how it goes. Veggies, hold on here. I need Q-berries. That's the what's it called? Oscar's favourite. I swear it is. I was just on this. Oscar, fruit, Q-berry, yeah. We need Q-berries. Did I manage to I did manage to get this. I don't know who was playing this game, but it obviously wasn't me. I'm rubbish at this game. That's a good point. Next episode I might, for like 5 seconds, show you my other ranch. Show what I've done around it. Just so, you know, get it out there how much I've actually done, so it doesn't look like I actually know what I'm doing. I know a little bit, don't know all of it. I picked up a hen, that wasn't meant to happen. I have a lot of hens. Got a lot of elderly hens too. So annoying. Like, no, shut up. Shut up. What do we need? Money is what we need. We need money. Get an air net. It's like 400, isn't it? This will boost us up to 400, surely. I mean, not that I would know. Are they even up today? The rock plots are. Tabbies are. Eh. See, in my old game, what I would do is I would save all of these. And if they were down, I would wait for when they were up. I wouldn't take them out of the cage until these guys are up. So, say phosphor slimes, I wouldn't go and collect my phosphor slimes, but I would collect my crystals since they're all the way up there. Which I haven't been doing this game, which is sad because normally I'm not organised in this. They can also eat fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I was about to say. Airnet, 425 purchase. There we go. And now, if we do this, a phosphor slime. And hopefully, phosphor crystals. Oh, that's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Eat. They're not eating. This saddens me. Has the phosphor eaten it yet? Or am I just being stupid again? What? Like, the phosphor in there? I see 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 5, 6. Yeah, the phosphor's eating it. Otherwise, there wouldn't be Just thought it'd be 6. No, 5. I don't know how maths works. I don't know. Did we read this one? No, this is the star one that I was saying was really sad. Before I left the ranch, I found myself sleeping most nights in his here grotto. I'd fill it full of phosphor slimes and watch them dance in the dark. Drifting off, I'd pretend I was drifting into the sea of stars across the limitless black of space. It's funny how when you dream, you sure become a sucker for the impossible. Every time I woke up to find myself back in the grotto, I'd feel a little sadness. But then I was back to work. There was always something that needed doing. Hector. I've been trying to brush off on my Hector voice. I haven't really. That just came out of nowhere. I don't know whether, but I like it, so we're gonna keep it. What was I doing? I can't remember. Oh right, yeah, getting money for an auto feeder. These are like 100 each. So we're gonna collect these. There's not even any in here, and I'm dying. I hope it doesn't happen like last time, that they just, you know, die or get out, because that was annoying. They'd broken the airfield so much that they ended up escaping, and I ended up having tars everywhere. I was so annoyed. Which is why I stopped doing crystal slimes with my phosphors, and I went back to rocks, because it was easier. I stuck again. Boop, boop. 263, 263. Someone should have told me how much I'd done. I don't remember doing any of this. Guess that's what happens when you go away from a game for a while. Mochi. I like Mochi. I promise you this is a good deal, Banana Peel. I like her. I like her. I can get you that. It's gonna be hard-ish, but I can get it. Everyone has the perfect amount of food. Like literally. I won't do it if they have no food in their thing. That is one of my daily tasks. I have to collect food, give them food, and then I can go on with my day. Why do I need... Q berries! I need Q berries. 1, 1, and 2. 1, 1, 2. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, Mochi. Ooh, I've got star mail from Mochi. That would be the Quicksilver game. I don't know if I'm allowed to play it, so before I go in, I will let there be a cut. I don't know. We might be allowed to play it. I can't remember the rules on that. Probably, yeah, sure. The other branches won't shut up about you, and it's starting to get annoying, so let's see what all the fuss is about. I like to talk business with you, so I went ahead and activated a spare teleporter in that horrible cave you call a ranch expansion. The teleporter will take you to my estate. I have others too, where we can work out the details. Don't keep me waiting. See you there, Square. Mochi Miles, top rancher. Do I have to? I don't want to. I have things to do. Do I have to, Mochi? When you can't remember which one's which, do you have a roostro? You do. So we're gonna give you the roostro. No, no, what are you doing? You need to go put these in the ground. Your phosphor slimes are counting on you. Well, crystal phosphors? I can't say that. The CP. We're gonna call them the CPs. Everyone's gonna have a nickname. So the CPs, the BRs, the RB. I like RB better. See, so we've got the CPs, the RBs, and the ERs? RPs? Yeah, let's go for RPs. I like RPs. We need these two really. Fine, and come back to that. Only when we need to. I can't run anymore. I will say for this Quicksilver game, you need, like, you don't need, but it's recommended that you have a lot of stamina. Machimao's Manor. I want to get over there. I want to see what this is about. Are we allowed over there at some point? Maybe. I don't know. Alright, yeah. When we pass through here, it changes our gun. Supposed to change our gun. So you finally decide to show up. Since we're already running short on time, I'll get right to it. You're standing in one of my many estates at the edge of the Nimble Valley, which is only known home to the very rare Quicksilver slimes. And everything you see here is my property, which means that I alone profit from all the Quicksilver plots that the Nimble Valley produces. Brilliant, I know. Harvesting Quicksilver plots is very difficult, and only highly skilled pro ranchers like myself can manage it. But I'm extremely busy, since I've got a ranch to manage and a ton of the Miles Tech business back on Earth to run. So I need you to get in there and do it for me. Naturally, you'll be compensated. We want you to be a happy little worker bee after all. Now pay attention because I don't have to repeat myself. First, you'll notice that I've augmented, how do I say that word? Augmented? How do I say? Augmented. Right, okay. We've augmented that junker of a backpack you have with some cutting edge mouse tech. What does augmented mean? Having been made greater in size or value. Or the musical term, denoting or containing an interval which is one semitone greater than the corresponding major or perfect interval. That has been school with Trinity, folks. Have a good day. No, I'm joking. Please don't leave me. Where were we? Augmented that junker of the backpack you have with some cutting edge Miles Tech. This never leaves the valley, so don't get excited. This augment will stop using such big words. My only weakness. This augment will activate using patented Miles Tech. Anytime you try to enter the Nimble Valley, it'll swap out your back tanks too. But don't worry, you won't lose the junk you had in there. Next, take the teleporter to the Nimble Valley and get to work collecting Quicksilver plots. I'll explain things once you get there, but let me give you a quick rundown. The Quicksilver slimes in the Nimble Valley lie dormant until you activate the generator to send out a pulse and get them moving. But this generator only works for so long and then needs to recharge. Quicksilver slimes eat electricity, and since they're super fast, the only way to get them is to blast them with tasty spark shot from your backpack. But don't worry about actually collecting the plot. I've got the valley rigged with Miles Tech that will collect them for you. After the generator shuts down, head back and deposit the Quicksilver plots here, and I'll sure get paid. Money talks, so for every 10 Quicksilver plots you deposit, I'll give you a cut of the profit. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll give you an even bigger reward. We'll start with what I call Mochi's Extra Mile, which is me sometimes giving you the inside scoop on a more lucrative plot price. Just don't count on it all the time. We are not friends. Now get out there and collect some Quicksilver plots for me. And if you're feeling like you really know how to shake it, try the other teleporter to an even trickier part of the valley. Or don't, because you know it'd be hopeless. Later, Tater. Okay, for one, I have beaten this girl like many times. I got to the chicken coop upgrade. Well, about to anyway. I think I was like 50 plots off. Maybe 150 plots off, but that's not the point. But the next one after this is like 450. Might be 500 plots that you need to get. But let's end the video on a good note. Let's go try this. I'm guessing I just did the right thing. What way do I go? Oh, we go this way. Okay. I need that. I have no speed. See, this is what I mean. You need loads. Like, you need a lot of stamina to keep up these Quicksilvers. Something I don't have. Where are they? Oh, they're there. He says as they run straight past them. No, I'm missing them all. It's like a shooter game. What are you doing? You're just shooting at the wrong thing now. Oh yeah, don't get hit. When you electrocute them, don't get hit. Because they will hurt you. We've already got 14, so that's good. Got you. Aha. See, we've got a lot. We're gonna get more money for this. I am not fast enough for this. I need a lot of speed for this. Oh, did you see that 3-shot combo? Oh, that was awesome. No, come here. Ow. Yeah, don't die in this game. You will lose all the plots. Oh, that's them gone. Does anyone know where the entrance is? If I just keep going this way, will I find it? I'm lost. Help. I'm lost on a racetrack. Oh, well that was a fail. Want to jump up there. Oh well, it's here now. We found it. Right, how long does it have left? 11 minutes. And we got 36 Quicksilver plots. Like that, like so. And we're already up to 863. That is sad. Right. Ready for the gun to change back to normal? Shame. Go home. There we go. Did my game just crash on me? Oh no, okay. Good. Just watching them. Let's collect all of these before we end the episode, and we'll leave it with a lot of money. Let's hope I needed those and they're not on down price on the market. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, bop. So, oh, would you look at that? They're down price on the market. These aren't they? Boom, 1,736. That's what I'm talking about. How much does this cost? We'll end the video after this. 10,000. That's been Slime Rancher, guys. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.